Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're charting the incredible journey of Wi-Fi technology, from one of its earliest breakthroughs all the way to the cutting edge of today.
Okay, let's dive right in. And just to set the stage, all the technical details we're about to cover are sourced directly from this really comprehensive report. This is actually part 10 of a 20-part series, so we're in deep. So, to really grasp the sheer scale of progress, we're going to look at two pivotal moments in Wi-Fi history, the very beginning of its mainstream adoption and, well, the future, which is happening right now.
Let's start by rewinding the clock. We're going back to 1999, which was an absolutely pivotal year for wireless connectivity. This is when things really started to change.
Now, what's really interesting here is just how dramatic the jump was from the original 1997 standard to 802.11b just 2 years later. You see, they both use the same 2.4 gigahertz band. The secret sauce was a shift in modulation, basically a smarter way to pack data onto the radio waves. That one change made all the difference.
And that difference was this magic number, 11 megabits per second. I know it sounds slow today, but that was a 5-fold increase in speed. This is what took Wi-Fi from being a niche technology to a commercially viable product you'd actually want in your home or office. It was a game changer.
Okay, now let's fast forward and see how this all builds, jumping ahead to the latest and greatest, the most powerful standard to date.
So let's get our terms straight. The crucial point here is the technical name IEEE 802.11b. And I'm going to pronounce that as 802.11be because we do not want to confuse it with that classic 802.11b standard we just talked about. They are worlds apart.
And this quote really illustrates the scale of this update. For any network pros out there, comparing this revision to the introduction of MIMO, well, that really puts its significance into perspective. We're talking about a fundamental shift.
You know, this standard isn't just theory, it's here, right now. The groundwork has been laid, and as you can see, products are already in the market as of 2024. This is happening as we speak.
But why? Why was such an ambitious revision even necessary? What kind of problems is Wi-Fi 7 designed to solve?
The RFI Detectives report really boils it down to these two core objectives. See, it's not just about being faster anymore. It's also about being incredibly responsive and, most importantly, reliable.
And these are the kinds of demanding, real-time applications that are driving that need. We're talking about high-res VR, smart factories that need instant control, and streaming games without a hint of lag. These are the things that demand a whole new level of wireless performance.
So when you actually put these two standards side by side, you see this really clear evolution in the whole mission of what Wi-Fi is even for.
What started out as a simple mission for convenience, just getting online without a cable, has now evolved into a mission to power the entire next generation of interactive technology. It's a huge shift.
I mean, it's a really fascinating question, and it just underscores how foundational this technology has become. It's paving the way for innovations that right now we probably can't even imagine yet. Makes you wonder, doesn't it?